In the 6th lecture of our course, we used the closing animation at the end of our video. We did not talk about that part in that lecture. However, it is important to know that closing animation is an essential part of the 60-second video project. Closing animation is simply a signature, a few seconds entirely belonging to the creatives. Animated logo is a popular asset of marketing and brand identity. A logo is like a heart of a brand identity. It presents a personality of a brand or a product and plays a significant role in a branding strategy. We have created the Rehan Allahwala logo animation in Adobe After Effects. We are using it here to show you how the animation has wrapped up the video. We request you to closely look at the closing animation of Now This, AJ Plus, and other micro video creators, and you will understand how to drive through it. It requires only creativity. That's all. Bring what's running inside your brain out here on Adobe After Effects and express it here in the form of animation.